Hare Krishna. So here we are in Vraj Temple.
Vraj Temple.
Um,
It took approx 1 hour 15 minutes to 30 minutes for us to come here.
and this Vraj Temple has people of a different sampradaya, but Krishna consciousness.
Krishna consciousness, but different sampradaya.
Yeah.
They are Vaishnavas, but they are from a different sampradaya. Mostly Pushti Marg. I don't know much about it. So we're just here to take darshan. We went inside to take darshan, but the darshan, like the altar, is closed. So we came outside again, and we are going to be showing you around. So you can see like the lotus structure, and then that's the temple up there. So let's show you around.
So as you already know, this is a huge lotus, and that is the temple
Up over there.
up above the lotus. And then there's stairs on both sides, which you climb to get up there. But
Mainly the entrance is somewhere else.
yeah,
Over here you can see there is a,
Sarovar, I guess.
a sarovar. I don't know what exactly.
You see two total fountains in this. One is in that side and one is here. And then there is this part. I don't know what it's for. I mean, it's just for viewing, I guess. And then more things over here for you to stand and look at the water. And there's a dog in the middle, a statue. And there's more houses in that side of the lake. There's a
Vishram
playground.
Ghat. I guess it's a Vishram Ghat.
How is it a ghat? A ghat is a place, right?
A ghat is a bank of a river, I think.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So this
Wait.
is Vishram Ghat.
This is
I guess
a
this
river?
is Vishram Ghat, and then that is like a lake or something.
So this is Vishram Ghat, and the lake is back there, and there is a bell here,
There's a fountain there too.
and there's a huge bell here. So let's ring it. So this is the Vishram Ghat, and that's the lake. And as you can see, there's a fountain there also, and there is another thing back there, which we don't know what it is, right?
Yeah, no.
But we'll visit it.
So
I think it's
we're going there right now. No, we're going to be seeing this. So
And there's also a statue of a cow there. You might be able to see all the way there.
So as you can see, I mean, we can see that there's some kind of like deity in there, some kind of murti in there. So we're going to go check it out. So we were near the lake over there, and then we found out this playground for kids this side, swings on that side. And
There's
guess what
also
this
volleyball.
is?
A volleyball court.
This is a volleyball court. Has like lines and everything too. You can. So the murti that we were talking about from the other side is actually Yamuna Maiya, and they have decorated the outside with some saris. They just put sari, and this is what she is like. While coming back, we can see the whole temple at once, and it looks pretty good. You can see the lotus right there, and then you can see the whole temple too. So we're going back inside the temple to take darshan if the darshan is open. We will freshen up a little bit. You can see Mukund is over there. He is thirsty and wants water. That's why he just ran away. So that is the temple. So after playing on the swings, we went inside and took darshan again. The darshan was open, but there was no photography or videography allowed inside.
So we couldn't show you the darshan.
Yeah, darshan. And then after that, we took prasadam and we bought some sweets, which we forgot to vlog. And then now we're planning on going, Mukund, planning on going back. And then so we saw the Jai Shri Krishna sign, as you can see over there. We'll show a better view. And we're planning on going back now. So 1.5 hour drive back to our house. That's the sign right there. Jai Shri Krishna. Hare Krishna.
So we are going back home. As you can see, we are in the car,
Yes.
and we had told that before also.
Yes.
So that's it for this vlog, not video. Make sure to like this video,
Share with all of your family and friends.
and subscribe to our channel to support us.
Yes. And we'll see you on our next one. Hare
Hare
Krishna.